Hi, everybody. Today we are going to ask the question, where is it? We're going to talk about places at Laney College. We're going to use several different words. Our first word is in. Where is Laney College? Laney College is in Oakland. On the map, you see a picture, our map of Oakland. Can you find Laney College on the map? Laney College is in Oakland. We use in to talk about something inside another thing. Look at the picture. There is something in the bag. Where are the books? The books are in the backpack. Here's a picture of the tower building at Laney College. We also can call it the administration building. Look at the sentences. The counseling office is in the tower building. The ESOL teacher offices are in the administration building. Now let's talk about the word on. Look at the picture. Where is the apple? We use on to talk about something on top of another thing. Look at the sentences. Is the apple in his head or on his head? The apple is on his head. Where is my computer? Here is my desk. Where is my computer? Look at the sentence. My computer is on the desk. Where are the ESL offices? They are on the 4th floor. If you look at the sign, it says ESOL, floor 4, faculty offices. They are on the 4th floor of the tower. Let's talk about the word between. Between. Look at the apple and look at the boxes. Where is the apple? The apple is between the boxes. Look at the sentences. Here is the library. Here is the tower. Here is the theater. Where is the tower? The tower is between the library and the theater. Between. Now, let's talk about next to. Notice this is two words, the word next and the word to. Where is the apple? The apple is next to the book. Look at the sentences and listen to the video. Here's my office. My office is room 409. Here is room 411. Where is my office? My office is next to room 411. Room 409 is next to room 411. Now let's talk about across from. This is also two words, the word across and the word from. Across from means opposite from. Look at the picture. Here is a road, Jangbin Road. Here is a bookstore. Here is a school. The bookstore is across from the school. There is a road between the bookstore and the school. Look at the picture. Now look at the sentence. The woman is across from the man. There is a table between the woman and the man. Let's look at the sentences and watch the video. Here is room 407. Here is the bathroom. Where is the bathroom? The bathroom is across from room 407. So today we learned about 5 different phrases and words. In, on, between, next to, across from.